We have increased their budget from 456 to 546 billion 209,099,671. So then police formation and command we give them 50 billion, while the FCT they have about 100 billion naira. You know, FCT is very important because we want to make sure FCT can compete with any city in the world. That's why we have decided to give them 100 billion naira. While Office of the National Security, we know how important that office is. Initially, the initial budget was 27 billion, but currently we have increased their budget to 50 billion naira. While the State House, the initial budget was 28, and we still maintain that figure as 28 billion naira as well. Ministry of Agri, we know how important that ministry is. You're talking about the food security, and of course, it's very critical and important to our people across the nation. We have maintained the initial figure of 200 billion naira as well. While Ministry of Housing, you know, we have a serious housing deficit in this country, and Mr. President agenda, he wants to build as much as he can. So we have approved 100 billion naira for Ministry of Housing, and that's what he actually did. Service whiteboard initially was 615 billion, but currently we reduced it from 615 to 515 billion naira as well. And for INEC, you know, initially their request was 18 billion naira. Yesterday we had an engagement with the INEC chairman, as you're all aware, and he has convinced us about his submissions. We have maintained our the 18 billion naira as well. So far we have approved the sum of 2,476,791,286,033 naira only. So this is what we did today, and we'll continue to do as much as we can to support our Nigeria, to support the government, so that our people can see the importance for this democracy as well. As far as we are concerned, we don't have that percentage anymore. We have increased the student loan. If you can recall, student loan was 5 billion naira in the budget, but now we have increased it from 5 to 10 billion so that our students can be able to access that facility in order for them to go to school and to be affordable for them. This is what it is actually.
So no more what?
Yeah, actually, yeah, we don't have that yet anymore.
Okay, so what are we expecting at the end of this in terms of implementation?
Yes, as you know, we in the General Assembly, we are very determined to make sure all the money appropriated, we make sure that our members, especially those standing committees, will oversight those projects to make sure all the money that has been paid has been utilized judiciously, so that Nigerians can see it and can see the impact. From now to 3 months, we are going to call them and ask them what they have done with that money we have been provided to them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Okay.
One last question.
Approved that 35,000 increment. So far, we have approved about 210 billion naira for Nigerian workers, and I'm sure they are going to see that impact as soon as possible. So it has been approved by the House of Representatives today.
Thank you.
It has been done. Thank you.
What about the freestyle? All right. Richie.
Let's go. Let's